Well, it is a dark, rainy day here in New Orleans, and doggies are just finishing up their breakfast. I got the fireplace going. It was actually kind of cold last night. Right now it's just for looks. It's not producing any heat. And for me, it's a work day. Tomorrow will be my visit the city day. And I'm enjoying it. You know, it's very humid, and I'm right here by this swamp. I keep hoping I'm going to see like an alligator or something. But there's some beautiful big white birds. But that's all I've seen so far. But I'm kind of loving all the rain, and it's so dark. Good day to be inside working, that's for sure. I have a little swamp monster on my window. That is a stink bug. And believe it or not, I have seen a larger one in Florida. Glad it's on the outside, that's all I can say. Right, guys, I'm downtown and I can't wait to go check out New Orleans. And actually, I'm just going to go see the French Quarter. What I'm super looking forward to is I'm meeting up with Maria again, in New Orleans. They are parked in Baton Rouge, and her husband Christian is in LA for the week. So she's driving down, and we're going to go have a girls' day in New Orleans and eat a bunch of food. And I hope to eat a lot of beignets. I don't know what the heck those are, but I saw some pictures of them, and I know they're fried dough. And who the heck doesn't like fried dough with sugar on it? So I was waiting for Maria because I got here first. So I walked down into the French Quarter, and I just stayed on one street. And then she called to say that she was here. So I was just turned around and walked right back. Well, I didn't realize that I crossed two big streets. I thought I just did one. So I get to the other big street over here, and I'm like, oh my God, I have no idea where I'm at. I thought it was like a time warp. Here she comes. Hey, I didn't realize I crossed two streets.
Hi, oh, it's so good to see you.
You too.
You're like me, I'm like, I'm gonna start.
I know. So we are here at Cafe du Monde. Is one of the most famous places here to get beignets and
chicory coffee.
Chicory coffee. So that's very interesting too. And the other cool thing about this place is since its inception in whatever year, 1700s,
1800s,
they've only ever accepted cash. So,
that's true.
but the prices are good. It was like $6 for the beignet plus the coffee.
1860s actually. I just read it.
1860s.
And
so
they only take cash.
yeah, and I think 1860 is actually around the same time that they started putting electricity in the street lamps.
Oil. That's right. Back then
Yeah, it was oil before. So digging into that.
Don't cough when you eat it, right?
Coffee's good too. So we're here having some refreshments, and I got a Bloody Mary, and we got some of these little fried things, and Cajun fried stuff. And I was just telling her that my grandma used to tell me that I needed to like Tabasco sauce, because apparently my family has that Louisiana French. So she always told me that I needed to make sure that I like Tabasco sauce. So we're having a little bit of that. And I think this has Tabasco sauce in it, and I'm liking it, so I guess I'm following my roots, right? That was absolutely amazing. I think out of all the cities I've been to in the US, that New Orleans is by far the most unique. Like, by far. Very unique city, very worth the trip. And also, this park that I stayed at, the Bayou State Park, was a great spot. It's only like 8 miles to the city. It takes about 20 minutes to get in, and it's removed enough, and it's in this protected wilderness area that it feels very peaceful. So you wouldn't think that the crazy hustle bustle from New Orleans is actually only about 20 minutes away, and 15 minutes to the ferry if you want to take the ferry across the river. Really great park, and incredible city. So we're ready to go. I'm just dumping the tanks right now. We got Chasey and Pearl in the back seat. Hi guys! Who's ready to go on a drive? Huh? Who's ready to go on a drive? And I'm gonna fill up my water. This is my cup from what's it called? Peg Leg Pete's in Pensacola. I put my water in there. And let's see, headed to, I can't remember the stop in between, but it's basically one stop to get to Dallas. And I'm looking forward to that. To be honest, I'm very excited to head west. I'm just so excited. It is so damp and humid out here, not just in New Orleans, but pretty much everywhere past Texas or past Oklahoma. It's very humid. I mean, of course, there's humid spots on the west too, like Oregon. But very excited, and I can't wait to dry out a little bit. I've been having my dehumidifier running like crazy, and I get about a gallon of water out of the air a day. Many thanks to those who have contributed to the channel's efforts by buying shirts from the Pippenings merch shop, which you can find below the videos now. If you want to have your photo with your Pippenings merchandise in a video, post it to my Facebook page. Till next time, keep your wheels moving forward and happy trails.